I want you to my candle, it's a great day to be amazed.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be talking about child-friendly videos on YouTube because days ago I was watching a video with my nephew from Toons, and it started off really innocent and slowly but surely got really disturbing and could give anyone nightmares. So this is a word of caution for anyone who lets their kids watch things about Speakerman and Toons. So watch and see.
Left or right?
Right. Left. Right. Right.
So as you scroll, you'll find shorts like this.
Two, one. I love 大的我的心哦
Definitely not for children. So now let's look at child-friendly channels that I totally recommend. This channel is mostly about this monkey just doing normal things. It's a bit different,
yummy.
but it's really entertaining. And this channel is mostly about these two boys and the adventures that they have together.
What are you doing, man? Let me out of here. Open the door. Don't do it. I'm so small. Hey, Nikki, what are you doing, man? Huh?
And of course, if you want the classics, you can just go to WB Kids and you'll find Tom and Jerry, Looney Tunes, etc. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was informative. Please comment any other channels that you think I could make my nephew watch. He's 7 and I have another nephew that's 2. So like, share, and subscribe, and see you next time.